Hello everyone friends, Alec Waller. Today I'll show you how to set up and install Java for VS Code. To begin with, you can look at the VS plugins in general about Java in general. Let's go to Visual Studio, click on Add-ons and write Java here. That's it. And accordingly, as you can see, we have language support for Java here and Java itself. That is, this is generally the most popular, plugin. We install it. That's it. But also on the official website of VS Code. Go to the browser, write VS Code, go to the site. Here we go to add-ons. Here you can also download Java. Here, but you can also look here in the docs, I think. Yes, go to the Java docs. Accordingly, start with Java and click Download Coding Pack for Windows. Press. That's it. And we download the executory file of the coding pack. We are opening it. We are waiting. We have such a thing. The aircraft can be closed. Click Accept. Click Next. Choose which, well, accordingly. Here we will have a list of whale codes, that is. Well, the Java Development Kit is installed. Click Install and wait, and accordingly, after installation, click Finish. And immediately we will be logged into VS Code. That's it. Well, that's all. In general, this is all for Java for VS Code. Waller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.